In this video, I'm going over how to make money organizing events. I'm going to show you how complete beginners can start earning money planning birthdays, corporate events, baby showers, proposals, and even small weddings, even if you have never done this professionally. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to offer, who to pitch, how to price your services, and how to get your first paying client fast. Let's get into it. Why event planning is a perfect beginner side hustle. Event planning is one of the easiest business to start because you don't need formal training, you don't need expensive equipment or certifications. You are getting paid for being organized, solving problems, coordinating people, creating a smooth guest experience. And in today's world, people will pay a lot just to not deal with the stress of planning an event. What you need to get started. Here's what you actually need to launch your event planning business. Number one, a simple service menu. You don't need to offer everything. Start with a few packages. Birthday setup, bridal shower coordination, proposal setup, small corporate events, baby showers, picnic setups. These are easy to deliver and low risk. Number two, a basic portfolio. People book what they can see. Even if you have never done this professionally, you can create mock event setup, table layout, decor ideas, mood board, color palette, and this is where Canva becomes essential, especially when you're building your event planning portfolio from scratch. When you're trying to get your first clients, visuals matter. People want to see your ideas or they trust you with their event, and Canva gives you all the tools to create those visuals instantly. Right on the Canva features page, you can see how many creative tools you get access to. Canva lets you create everything you'll need as a beginner. You've got mood boards, table layouts, decor mockups, you even got invitations, aesthetic vision boards, and full event concepts. You do not need design experience. Everything is template-based and easy to customize. On screen, you'll see examples like the text-to-image tool, which lets you generate decor inspiration or concept visuals using AI. You'll also see the PDF import feature, which is great for upgrading vendor quotes or converting your layout sketches into clean, professional client documents. Scrolling further, Canva shows the brand kit, which helps you stay consistent with colors, fonts, and logos, which is perfect when you want your portfolio, invoices, and proposals to all feel cohesive. And when you get to the template section, you'll see dozens of layout ideas, project overviews, invitations, event plans, and design styles, all of which you can turn into polished portfolio pages in minutes. Use my Canva link to design your event portfolio, and the link is down below. What you can offer. Here are the easiest services to start with. Number one, event planning and coordination. You handle timeline, reservations, vendors, decor plan, guest flow, communications, and reminders. You are essentially the brains of the event. Why ClickUp is the right tool for event planning. When you're running events, the number one thing you need is structure. You are juggling vendors, timelines, tasks, reminders, and communication all at the same time. ClickUp helps you keep every piece of the event in one organized place so nothing slips through the cracks. You can connect your calendar and manage event schedules, block off time for setup, and track client meetings. It keeps your vendor list, timelines, and checklists all in one workplace so you can move quickly and stay organized without bouncing between different apps. ClickUp also lets you build custom dashboards. You can view everything from upcoming tasks to overdue items to notes, lists, and even simple charts that help you understand your workload at a glance. This level of organization makes your events smoother and helps you deliver a better experience for your clients. If you are serious about event planning, use my ClickUp link down below to set up your planning workflow. Number two, decor setup. Balloon arcs, florals, centerpieces, candles, extremely profitable and simple. Number three, table styling. It's perfect for dinners, proposals, brunches, even corporate lunches. Number four, venue scouting. People will pay just for you to find and book locations. Number five, vendor coordination. You become the point of contact for photographers, caterers, florists, DJs, rentals, and even additional freelance freelancers you find on Fiverr or Upwork if you need extra hands for decor, balloon design, or last-minute setup support. Use my link to hire reliable freelancers when you need backup. Number 6, day of event management. You run everything: timeline, communication, transitions, vendor direction. You are the calm center of the event. How to price your services. Event planning can be priced in 3 ways. Number 1, hourly, $25 to $45 an hour. It's great for small events, simple coordination, and beginners. Number 2, flat rate packages. Some examples are birthday setups, $250 to $600, proposal setup, $300 to $800, a baby shower, $600 to $1,200, corporate small events, $500 to $2,000. Clients love simple pricing. Third, percentage of event cost. For larger events, 10 to 15% of total event cost. Build your portfolio fast. Here's exactly what to put inside of your portfolio: mock event looks, color palette boards, table decor, theme setups, lighting inspiration, sample invitations, before and after layouts. Build everything inside of Canva. Where to find your first paying client. These 5 places will get you clients next month. Number 1, Facebook groups search. Local moms groups, community events, your city's business owners. Number 2, Instagram. Social media is where most event planners get their first clients, but posting consistently is hard when you're busy setting up tables, coordinating vendors, or running events. So Post Planner makes that easy by letting you schedule your entire week of content in advance. From what you're seeing on screen, Post Planner shows content scheduling across multiple platforms. You can schedule posts to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, X, and more. For event planning, this means you can promote your setups, behind the scene clips, and before and after transformation everywhere at once. Post ideas and trending content. There's a built-in idea section with keywords and prompts. This helps you come up with captions and content during slow weeks or when you don't have time to brainstorm. They also have a queue system that recycles posts. If you have evergreen content, Post Planner can recycle it automatically so your page stays active even when you're on site running events. All of this supports the one thing event planners struggle with most: staying visible online while working hands-on with clients. If you want to automate your posting schedule the same way, my Post Planner link is down below. Number 3, TikTok event planning. Content goes viral. Aesthetic setups, balloon arcs, time lapses, before and after scenes. Number 4, local restaurants and venues. Offer setup services for private dining rooms and events. Number 5, vendors. DM photographers, florists, balloon artists, and trade referrals. How to deliver events without stress. The secret to a successful event isn't the decor, it's the workflow. Break your system into 3 phases. Phase 1, pre-event planning. This is where 80% of the success happens. Number 1, collect inspiration. 2, confirm budget. 3, create the deadline. 4, confirm vendors. 5, buy decor early. 6, prepare your layout map. Again, use ClickUp to keep all tasks organized. Phase 2, event day. First, arrive early. 2nd, set up in sections. 3, test lighting. 4, talk to vendors. 5, run the timeline quietly. 6, solve problems calmly. Clients don't hire you for perfection, they hire you for that peace of mind. Phase 3, breakdown. This is where you make the strongest impression. Number 1, clean up. Number 2, return rentals. 3, connect with vendors. 4, capture content. 5, send a closing message. And 5, send a closing message. Why Descript is the right tool for your event videos. Most people starting an event business struggle with the same thing, turning their raw footage into something that actually shows the quality of their work. And that's where Descript helps. The platform makes editing feel as simple as typing. You can clean up repeated takes, shorten long pauses, and improve your audio instantly. So the built-in layouts and design tools make your clips look more polished without needing advanced editing experience. It also makes it easy to add captions, cut short clips for Reels and TikToks, and create those strong before and after transformations that help clients understand your value. Use my Descript link to start editing smarter. How to turn this into recurring income. Here's how you turn one-time events into ongoing revenue. Number 1, offer returning clients 10% off. Number 2, create monthly retainers for businesses. 3, add upsells, backdrops, digital invites, floral referrals, styling, rentals. Recurring clients mean more stable income. Your first 30-day blueprint. Week 1, build your portfolio in Canva. Week 2, choose 2 to 3 services and set your pricing. Week 3, post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, DM local venues and vendors. Week 4, take your first booking, collect content, and add it to your portfolio. And for your website or booking page, use Hostinger. If you're launching your event planning business, you need a simple, clean website that shows your services, photos, pricing, and a booking form. Hostinger makes that easy, even for beginners. Hostinger gives you a super fast AI website builder. Just describe your idea and the builder creates the layout, images, and text for you. Simple drag and drop customization, add pages, plugins, and features without dealing with coding or complicated setup. A professional look that builds trust. Their testimonial panel shows creators and business owners using Hostinger because it's clean, it's fast, and it's reliable, which is exactly what clients expect from an event planner. Quick WordPress setup without the complexity. Perfect if you want more control while still keeping things easy. Hostinger's Cyber Week deal is live right now, but only for a limited time. If you want your event planning website up this week, hurry and use my Hostinger link before the sale ends. If you follow this step by step, you can launch your event planning side hustle this year, even if you are starting from complete scratch. You don't need experience, you don't need fancy equipment, you just need to start. All the tools I used in this video, the ones that help you design your portfolio, stay organized, book clients, and look professional are linked down below, so you have everything in one place. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery, and I can't wait to see the events that you create. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.